All right, good morning, class. So, I hope you're having fun in the snow that we're having. I think we're going to be having this all week actually. So, yay! Snow days. Get to have fun in the snow. So, this morning we're going to do math, and then I'm going to upload another video and we're going to do ELA, like phonics and stuff like that. So, but for math today, we're just going to do like a little review since we missed Thursday and of course Friday was virtual anyway. So, we're going to be reviewing on 3-digit addition, okay? So, I want y'all to go ahead, if you don't have it, get a pencil and a paper out because, yes, I want y'all to do this with me, okay? And at the end of this video, there's going to be a little discussion. So I hope y'all watching this video all the way through, okay? So let's go ahead and review. So I'm just going to give you an example. I want y'all to work it out with me. We're going to work it out together, okay? Like we always do every morning in math, okay? So we have the number 385 plus 257. Okay, so I'll wrote it out. I'm trying to go ahead and write that. No, it's flipped, but it's 385 plus 257. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all. Sorry, I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds to write this down. Y'all know I like to sing my numbers out. Okay. So make sure everybody gets this. And if you don't get this down, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to talk and write it out at the same time so y'all know. Okay? So we have 385 plus 257. So you know we start with the ones place. So this one right here. So 5 plus 7. So what is 5 plus 7? I'll give y'all a few seconds to think about that. So y'all can do it on your hands, use those manipulators, all that, okay? So 5 plus 7. So it is 12. So remember, we always put that 2 down, that second number, and then we regroup it and put it on top, put that 1 on top of that 8 in the tens place, okay? So it's just like that, okay? So put that 1 on top. And then we do 8 plus 5. So what is 8 plus 5? I'll give y'all a few seconds. 8 plus 5. I'm going to try to see it. All right. So, I'll give y'all a few more seconds. It is 13. Yes, but we have that 1 on top. So add that 1 on top. 13 plus 1. Is 14, okay? So we put that 4 down, and then we carry that 1 on top of that 3. So now we're ready to do the hundreds place, okay? So look at that, 3 plus 2, and that equals, give you a few seconds to think, 5. And then we have that 1 on top, so we add that 1, so 5 plus 1 equals 6. So our answer is, I can't read this backwards, but it is 642, okay? 642. Okay, so this is all we're going to be doing. It's like doing a review. We missed Thursday, which was supposed to be a review with like this. So we're just going to take it on Monday. Hey, today, we're just going to do the same thing what we would have done on Thursday, okay? So let's go ahead and do another one. So I have a number 463 plus 159. Okay, so I'll go ahead and write that down. So I know this is backwards. I know I keep saying that. 463 plus 159. Y'all to get that down. Make sure you have that. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with the 1. So what is 9 plus 3? We're right here. Or 3 plus 9, either one. Okay, give y'all a few seconds. Give y'all a few seconds. Yes, 3 plus 9 is 12, okay? Remember, we carried that 1. We regroup it, okay? And we carry that 1 on top of that 6 in the tens place, okay? Like this. All right. And then 6 plus 5. Give y'all a few seconds to think about that. What is 6 plus 5? It is 11, but we're not done. We have that 1 on top. So 11 plus 1 equals 12. Yes. Put that 2. Remember, we carry that 1 now in that hundreds place on top of that 4. Right here. We're right here. Okay. And then we do 4 plus 1, which is, y'all should know this, 5. But we have the extra 5 right there. Extra 1 right there, not extra 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5 plus that 1 on top. That gives us 6. So our answer is 622. Okay. I want y'all to keep practicing on this, okay? Because if we're back this week, I'm going to give y'all a little quiz to see how well y'all are doing with this, okay? All right. Hopefully, but if we're not, then we're going to push that quiz back to next week for sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. So let's go ahead and do, I'm going to start down here. 689 plus, I got to get some 9s in there. 689 plus 546. Okay. Now, this one might be a little tricky one, but that's okay. All right. So we start with the 1s. Or down there. So 9 plus 6. Oh, I can't see that. 9 plus 6. This one right here. So make sure y'all have 689 plus 546, okay? So 689 plus 546. All right, and then we do 9 plus 6 first. So we start with our 1s column. So I'm gonna give y'all a few, just to think about that. That one might be a little bit too, gotta think about that one, okay? 9 plus 6. I want y'all to think. 9 plus 6. Give y'all a few. Y'all might know it. All right. So our answer is 15. So put that 5 down. And then we're right here. And then we carry that 1 on top of that 8. All right. So now we look at the 10s. 8 plus 4. What y'all think? 8 plus 4. Okay. Which is 12. But plus that 1. We have that 1 on top. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Put that 3. We always carry that 1 on top. Okay. Do not put a 1 right here in front of that 3. We always carry it up top. Okay. Now we're ready for 6 plus 5. Now we're in the hundreds column. 6 plus 5, which is, what is 6 plus 5? I want y'all to think about that, okay? 6 plus 5, which equals 11. I hope y'all got that right, but we have that 1 on top. So remember that 1, so 6 plus 5 is 11, plus that 1 equals what? Yes, 12. So our answer is actually a big number. So our answer is 1,235, okay? So make sure you get that. 1,235. All right. I hope you're doing well with this, okay? So, I think we're going to do one more 3-digit addition. And then I'm going to go over the subtraction, the 2-digit, not 3-digit, 2-digit. I just want us to review on that before we get to subtracting 3-digit numbers, okay? So I just want to review on 2-digit, and then this week we'll do the 3-digit ones, okay? So let's do one more 3-digit addition one, okay? So we have 761 plus 256. All right, this looks to be pretty good. All right, we're right here. So 761 plus 256, okay? So make sure you have that. 761 plus 256, 256, okay? All right. So let's go ahead and start with the ones. So we are doing, look at the ones column, 1 plus 6. Now who can tell me 1 plus 6? Well, who can tell me? Well, y'all should know 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay. Now let's move on to the 10th column. So we have 6 plus 5. What y'all think? We actually just did that one actually on the last problem. Yep. 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. Remember, we put that 1 down. We carry that 1 on top of that 7. Okay. Just like this. And now we do 7 plus 2. Give y'all a few seconds. Yes, it's 9. Oh, but plus that 1. We have that 1 on top, which is 10. Yes, so remember, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Plus that 1 on top is 10. So 1017. Good. So that is our answer. Okay. Let me put that one a little bit longer. Yep, just like that. 1017. We're on this one right here. Right there. Okay. Make sure y'all get that. Get all these answers. Because I'm going to move on to something else. Make sure y'all get all that. Okay. So I'm going to turn my page over because we're going to be talking about something else. This is what we're going to talk about. Do you know we have to do some subtraction, okay? You all have the addition. Y'all got that. Good. Now, the challenging one is always subtraction, but guess what? We're going to be good on that, okay? So, let's go ahead and just practice on our regular subtraction, okay? So, let's do 8 minus 3, okay? Let's just start with that, 8 minus 3. Okay, make sure y'all have that. I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds. And then hopefully I got this. I'm pretty sure you got this though. 8 minus 3. Or I can show y'all a way how to do it. If y'all feeling stuck. Okay? So I can do a number line. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're just gonna do 9, okay? So this is a number line. So 1, well I did put 9, okay, because I ran out of room. That's okay. So it says 8 minus 3. So we start, so I'm put a star under 8. So we start with 8. And then we go over to the left. Since we're subtracting, we go over to the left. So we go over to the left. How many times? 3 times. Because 8 minus 3. Then we're subtracting 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then we circle the answer. So hopefully y'all got the answer 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So that's just another way of subtraction is using that number line. Okay. Because I am a visual person. I have to see. Sometimes I can do things on top of my head. Sometimes I gotta be like, okay, let me draw a number line. Or guess what? I'm a teacher and I still use my fingers. So it helps me, because sometimes I really can't do stuff mentally, but that's okay. There's other ways to subtract, okay? So let's go and do the double one now. All right, so we have 28 minus 13. Okay, so we look at the ones columns first. So we do 8 minus 3. Oh, guess what? We just did that. So hopefully y'all got that answer. Oh, I can't even see it. I'm sorry. 8 minus 3. Yeah, so you have that answer. 8 minus 3 is 5. So you put that 5 down. All right. Now, then we do 2 minus 1 in class. 2 minus 1. Y'all should know this. Okay. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And our answer is 15. Okay. So make sure you have that. So give you a few seconds to write that down. And we're just going to do a few of these. And then I'm going to have y'all do an assignment outside. I know y'all like the snow. Y'all kept talking about it all Wednesday. So I know you're excited that it snowed. So I'm going to have y'all do an activity outside with the snow, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and do 35. So make sure you have that 35 minus, let's do, I'm trying to think of one. 35 minus, we honestly need to practice, maybe 35 minus 15. Now that one might be pretty too easy. Don't worry, I'm gonna give y'all a challenging one on the next one. All right. 35 minus 15. So look at that ones column. So 5 minus 5 is 0. You should know that. 0. And we look at the tens column. And 3 minus 1 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. Ooh. I didn't write that 2 better, but that's a 2, okay? And so our answer is 20. Make sure you have that 35 minus 15. And that equals 20. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's see. I have to think of problems for y'all. Let's see which one I want to do for y'all. Let's do 20. Okay, I'm always doing 20s. Why am I doing 20s now? We're not doing 20s. Let's do 58. Minus 34. That should be fine. Yeah. All right. This is actually pretty good. All right. So make sure you have that. It's 58 minus 34. 58 minus 34. 58 minus 34. Okay. So we look at that ones column. So we look at 8 minus 4. So what is 8 minus 4? Remember, you can use that number line too. So I'm going to go ahead and use the number line. So we look at 8. The 8's already started. And we go to the left because we're subtraction. We're subtracting. So we're going to the left. When we're adding, we go to the right. But this time we're just going to the left because we're subtracting. Okay? Look at the 8. So we go over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. Okay? All right. So we got that down. So now we're doing 5 minus 3, okay? And I'm going to use another line for this too. The number line, honestly, is really a great tool to use. Just in case you can't do it mentally, quick. Go ahead and write down that number line and you got it. All right, so 5 minus 3. So we go to the 5. So we got the 5, a circle. So I'm just going to leave a circle. And then we go over 3. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to put a star right there. All right, so our answer is, let's go back to it, 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Yay. All right. We're going to do one more together, okay? So let's go ahead and do 69 minus 22. Okay? So 69 minus 22. So make sure you have that. I'm going to give y'all a little bit to write that down on your paper. 69 minus 22. 69 minus 22. 69 minus 22. Okay? So now, let's go ahead and do the 1st column. 9 minus 2. Okay? So what is 9 minus 2? That might be a little tricky one, but guess what? We have that number line. So we're going to use that number line. Okay, so look at 9 right here. That's our 9. And we'll just go over 2 to the left, okay? We'll just do 1, 2. So the answer is 7, okay? So make sure you have that. 7. Okay, we're right here, 7. All right, and then let's go to the 10th column. 6 minus 2. So we are going to the 6 right here, and we're just going over 2 to the left, okay? 1, 2. So our answer is 4. Okay? So make sure you have that. So our answer is what? 47. All right? So please make sure you have 47. For 69 minus 22. All right. So that's our review for math today. So yes, I do have a little activity to do outside. It's like, okay, so math and science always ties in together, okay? They're more relatable, okay? They're more related, they're together. Yes, so actually it's like a little science activity. So I want you all to go outside. I want y'all to time yourself to see, and I want y'all to put snow in your hand and see how long it takes to melt in your hands. I want y'all to time it, okay? Y'all have to time it. And then I want you to leave a comment on this post and tell me how long did it take for the snow to melt on your gloves or your hands. And hopefully it's on your gloves because the snow's really cold. But how long it took to melt, okay? How long did it take to melt in your hand, okay? All right. I can't wait to see these comments and see how long. All right, y'all have fun today. And I'm going to post another video at 1 o'clock to do phonics, okay? All right. See ya. And be safe.